Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make paint in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's go with Earth, and then we're gonna go for Wind to create dust, and then you wanna go for Earth again so that you'd have Planet. Once you have Planet, you wanna go for another Earth so that you'd have Moon, and then you wanna go for Wind right here so that you would have Werewolf. And then once you have Werewolf, you want to go for Earth right here into Werewolf so that you would have Wolf. Once you have Wolf, you would need Earth in order for you to create Dog. And then once you have Dog, the next thing is add another Earth and then you'd have Bone. Once you have Bone, the next thing is to simply add Earth again. And then you'd have Fossil. And then the next thing is to add Earth again right here so that you'd have Oil. And then once you have Oil, the next thing is to add water and you'd have emulsion. Once you have emulsion, you want to add dust into it and now you have paint.